Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find random live streams over on Instagram. So in order to literally just find random live streams on Instagram, there's a really slick and easy way in order to do this. So all you need to do is open your Instagram app, and now what you want to do is there's no like tab to go to random lives. However, what you can actually do is click on this plus sign in order to create a post, and then you want to slide over to live. Because we are going to do a really quick live, and it will all make sense in just a second. So what you want to do is you want to make sure to go live just like this. This can also just be on your alt account. Now what you can do is you can send it right here at the bottom right corner of your screen with this airplane to whatever you want. So for example, to my second account, just like this. You want to make sure that it says successfully sent, and then you can immediately end your live stream just like this. Then you can click on discard video right here. And if you now go to the top right corner of your screen, once you're at home, you will be able to go to your messages right here. And if I literally right now go to that person I just sent my live to, just like this, you can see that it now pops up a button called Watch More. When you click on that, you can literally see right here that it will pop up a lot of live streams, and those are just random live streams. So that's basically how you can find random live streams over on Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.